Want to send stars or gifts to a creator on Facebook Reels? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap the Reels icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to find the reel you want to support. Tap the star icon labeled Send a Gift. Keep in mind, not all videos have this feature. A pop-up will appear where you can select a gift option from the available choices. After selecting a gift, add a message or a comment in the Add a Comment with Your Gift box. Then tap Send for $. If you haven't added a payment method, follow the on-screen instructions to add a credit or debit card and purchase stars. Once you have stars, confirm your selection and tap Send Stars or Gift to show your support to the creator. And that's it. You've successfully sent a star gift on Facebook Reels. If this helped, tap like, comment on your favorite creators, and subscribe for more Facebook tips.